Everyone, Saidu here. Welcome to another CCNA Cyber Ops Lab. In this lab, I'll be exploring Nmap. We get to know what is Nmap, some of the use of Nmap, and as well as the example on how to use Nmap. So, for a start, Nmap is a powerful network utility that is used for network discovery and security auditing. You can always explore the manual page for this kind of command. For example, I'll enter Nmap, I'll enter man Nmap. For example, I'll enter man Nmap. This is what I have on my screen here. Now, from the manual page, we can see the description of the Nmap. Nmap is typically used to scan a network and determine the available hosts and services offered in the network. Among the features of Nmap include port scanning and operating system detection, and also host discovery. Nmap can be commonly used for security audit to identify open port network inventory as well as to find the vulnerability in the network. Now, from the manual page, I'll enter /example and hit enter to take me straight to the example section here. As you can see here, we have nmap-a-t4 scanme.nmap.org. So this is a typical example on how nmap command is being used. Now, the -a there from the command enable operating system detection, version detection, script scanning, and also trace route. So the -t4 there is for faster execution. So it is recommended for a decent broadband or Ethernet connections. Now I'll try using this Nmap to scan my local host. From the command prompt, I'll enter Nmap space -a space -t4 space then local host. This will scan my local host, find out the open port as well as the IP address. Now, from the result, there we can see that port 21, which is a TCP port and FTP. So now, from the result there, we can see that port number 21, which is a TCP port, and that of FTP. And then we can also see port 22/TCP, which is SSH. And then those are the open ports. And then also we can be able to see the operating system, which is Linux. Now you can use Nmap to scan the whole network or your own network, but before doing that or before using Nmap on any network, you should try take permission. So to check the IP address of my local host on my system here, I'll simply enter the ifconfig or ifconfig to show me the IP addresses as well as the MAC addresses there. This might be different because my computer now is having a private IP address. 10 does stop there. Now, after acquiring the IP address, you simply need to just enter back to the prompt and enter the command nmap space -a space -t4 followed by the IP address / the subnet max. Now, it might take time depending on the size of the network, but this is how you scan a specific IP address or a specific network. I'll just cancel this. And then let me open a browser here and navigate to scanme.nmap.org. So this site allows user to learn about Nmap and test their Nmap installations. So from my prompt here, I'll just enter nmap-a-t4 space scanme.nmap.org to scan that particular site. So the scan result will show you a lot of information from the IP address to the type of server and even the version of the Apache that they are using. You can see some ports that are open, and also you can see the IP addresses. In recap, Nmap is a very powerful tool for network exploration and management. So in essence, we can say Nmap is used for reconnaissance to determine open port and other information about the network. Alright, that is that, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and I will catch you in the next one.